Flight 101, non-stop from LAX to London Heathrow, now boarding. You and I are going on a flight. We're going to fly a non-stop flight from Los Angeles to London. Some of you have probably taken this flight before. I've taken it, I don't know, many times. Let's take a look at this map over here. So if this is Los Angeles and this is London, as indeed that is where they are, keep this in mind. Airlines want to make money. They want to fly the shortest possible route. Get the plane on the ground, get everybody out, load it back up, and take off again. Believe it or not, the planes actually operate better if they keep moving rather than if they just sit there and cool off and then warm up and cool off and warm off and warm up. So that's what they want to do, is keep moving. And of course, the shortest possible route also means the least amount of fuel. So if we were going to fly the shortest possible route from LA to London, let's take a look at this map and see what we would do. Watch. I'm going to take this string here, put my left thumb on LA, stretch the string out as taut as I can do it. Look at that. Meteor must have hit there. Stretch it as taut as possible over here until the string reaches London. There you go. Take a look at that. Here's our route, as tight as I can pull it. Going straight across the United States. You exit the United States somewhere around New Jersey, New York, then you go across the Atlantic Ocean, and then you come in over the southern part of England, maybe a little touch of Wales, and then you land in London. Take a look, before I take this away, where Greenland is at, up here, where Iceland is at, here, where Hudson Bay is at. Okay, take a look. There's the route. Know what happens if you fly that route? Curtains. That's right. You'd be thousands of miles off course. Why? Because the Earth doesn't look like that. The Earth isn't flat. Our planet is a sphere. It's a ball. Okay? And so the route that you actually fly is called a great circle, or a great circle route, which is the shortest distance between any two places on a sphere, like the Earth. And this is the route that's used for aviation. This is the route that's used for shipping, as in when you're going across the oceans, because they also want to do this as quickly and efficiently as possible. So the real route that you would take would be this. Let me put my thumb on LA, put my other thumb over here on London, just like that. London, England. Okay, now take a look at the route. Okay, my left thumb, which is the one that's closest to my face, is on LA. My right thumb is on London. Now look at this route and notice this part. We are nowhere near New Jersey. In fact, the last state that we fly over before we exit this country is like Montana or North Dakota. Montana or nowhere near New Jersey. And then we come up over the top of Hudson Bay, over the southern tip of Greenland, just south of Iceland, then come in over Scotland, and then we land in London. Yeah, that's the way we really go. So if we were looking at it on this map, this would be the route. We'd come up like this, up over the top of Montana, North Dakota, over Hudson Bay, over the southern tip of Greenland, then just south of Iceland, they come in like that. That's what would be happening, because this map is not accurate. This is accurate. This is accurate. This, the sphere, the ball. So remember, that's called a great circle route. Excellent. Let's go get some fish and chips. Yep, London, England.